How to rearrange songs on Spotify playlist. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can rearrange songs on Spotify playlist. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. If you wish to rearrange a particular song on Spotify playlist, what you can do is you can simply head over and open up Spotify. Once you open up Spotify, what you can do is you can head over to your library. Right? So once on your library, you can head into your playlist. There now, what you can do is you can simply tap on the three dots that you'll see on the playlist. You can see the three dots right there on the screen. You can tap on it and then you want to tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, this page will open up, right? Now, in order to reorder your songs or remanage your songs list, what you can do is simply tap and hold on the three horizontal line icon beside the song, and then you can move it upwards or downwards, top or bottom of the order, so you can manage the order this way. So this is how you can easily rearrange songs on Spotify playlist. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.